Basal metabolic rate is the largest component of total energy expenditure, somewhere between 50 to 80% depending on the individual. Now, the basal metabolic rate is essentially the amount of energy that is burned in a day for someone who is to lie in bed, do no physical activity, and consume no food. So it really is the baseline energy required just to keep the body's processes ticking over. Now, it's very consistent, which means it's going to be similar on a Monday to what it is on a Friday. And because of this consistency, we can assign a rate to it. Now, other components of energy expenditure vary. For example, physical activity or the thermic effect of food, which we'll talk about soon, which means we can't assign a rate to it because it's going to be so different day to day. But because the basal metabolic rate isn't impacted by these things, such as physical activity, it's not something we can vary too much. So when we're looking to create that energy deficit by increasing energy intake, expenditure, we can't change.